Alright guys, welcome back to CoastER Brothers. Today for episode 3 of West CoastER Tour, we're at Knott's Berry Farm. We have Premier Thrills again, of course, and Charlie right here. And there was an initial massive mob coming into the park. Ghost Rider's already at 65 minutes according to the app. But now this ghost town really is a ghost town. So hopefully it stays like this all day. Cause I checked queue times, and guys, make sure to check out queuetimes.com. They give all of the capacity information and predictions for parks. So you should use that to plan your next trip. Because it doesn't look like it's that crowded today, and everyone always just goes straight to Ghost Rider. So hopefully it's like this the whole day. It's usually accurate, but we are going to be getting fast lane just in case. So,
it's always smart to, you know, get fast lane here. So.
Yeah. So that's what we're doing right now, and then I think right after this we're going to do Ghost Rider. Yeah. Alright, here we go guys, we're on Ghost Rider right now, Knott's Berry Farm. Pretty excited. This is a great GCI. You think it's a CCI. It's not a CCI. It's not a CCI, guys. But yeah, here we go. We're getting to the drop now. Awesome, guys. That is a great coaster. What did you think? What did you guys think?
Unbelievable.
That was better the second time.
Yeah.
Fantastic ride. Alright, well, we just finished up Ghost Rider for the second time. Again in the back row, and it was pretty good. I love Ghost Rider. We rode Gold Striker in episode 2 of West CoastER Tour. You should check that out. It's right up here. Check it out here. But yeah, that's a fantastic coaster. What did you think, Dean?
It's absolutely amazing. You know, I used to rank it like really high, like top 3. But you know, over time I've dropped it, but it's still really good. It's one of my favorite.
Yeah, definitely. Fantastic ride. We are now going to be getting the front row POV, probably a back row POV too, and maybe a backwards POV, depending on how long it takes to get these POVs, because we are limited on time, I'm pretty sure. But what did you think, Charlie?
Much better the second time, all the way in the back.
And what did you
Pretty
think?
sure back road actually rocked, and it was pretty smooth.
Yeah, definitely. So, We're gonna get a back row, front row, and then what should we do after this?
Like ride or row?
Ride.
Probably Pony Express, because it's right up the road. So.
Yeah. So, see you guys then. Well, we just did Ghost Rider, and that was, we got a great ride. We have 2 rides on it now so far. We got the front row POV, and it came out pretty good. I'll show a segment of it in a second, but we're gonna go on it a couple more times, or we might do Pony Express, I don't know. We'll see, but yeah, we got front row, and we got the reaction, and we have most of the day to do on-ride filming today. We actually have 2 periods of on-ride filming. We have park opening, well, 10:30 they met us, and then that goes until 3, and then they're meeting us again an hour later at 4 for the rest of the day. So it's really just 1 hour that we don't get to film, but that's fine because we're gonna need a break. But what did you think of Ghost Rider in the front row?
It was really good. Yeah, I do like it more in the back. I mean, it's still really good. Okay. And I was glad that we got to film. That was pretty fun. Yeah.
So yeah, now I don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll see. See you guys in a sec.
Yeah, it's R.I.P.
Yeah, Deadwood Dick.
Here lies Deadwood Dick. Nothing but a bump in the city.
What is this? Hello? Anybody home? These things in there. It's open? No. They locked the door. Open up! Laundry. Yeah, Ghost Town, I gotta admit, has some really great theming for Cedar Fair. Very good. I'm very impressed. I just love this theming. I love like good Western theming at these parks. Very interesting. General blacksmithing. Nice. Blacksmithing.
Back when I was
Oh, and then sheriff's office.
It's right there, I think. Oh, yeah, I did.
There's the jail.
Hello there.
Hello. How you doing?
I'm doing okay. I've been better. I'm still stuck in here.
I can go on HangTime too.
Nice. I didn't realize that talked, but okay. So yeah, we're gonna be doing Pony Express now. I don't know if we're gonna be doing any on-ride filming on it, but we'll see. Well, we're about to do Pony Express.
Yes. I mean, it's a fun ride. It's really, really lame.
And short too. This is Charlie's new credit for Charlie, because every park on this trip is new for Charlie.
Yeah, it's perfect. I love it. Stacking credits.
Well, we just did Sleepy Express,
Yes.
and that was pretty boring and mid. It was so boring that I fell asleep, and I woke up back in the station, and that was just.
I feel so ripped. Like, I fall asleep, and then all of a sudden I wake up with them. I hope you enjoyed the ride.
Yeah, and
I
like,
didn't even know it moved.
Yeah.
Like, it was crazy. Super rigged.
So yeah, it makes you very, very sleepy.
Yeah.
Now we're heading on over to HangTime.
Yeah.
Gerstlauer Infinity Coaster.
I mean,
here.
it's fun. It's not the craziest ride ever, though.
Yeah.
So, we will see you guys over at HangTime.
That's why I guess we're leaving in line for HangTime. HangTime is currently experiencing a temporary delay in operations. We did not know how long this delay will.
Yeah, guys, if you didn't just hear that, this is post-roll right now. This is me editing. Yeah, we got stuck on hang time. When we were on the holding break, we heard the announcement, we heard the operator say that hang time is down, experiencing a temporary delay. And we were just hanging on that hanging break, like on the holding break, literally just sitting up there. It was crazy. But after about 30 seconds, they were able to get the train off the holding break.
Oh, they're kidding. I got scared that they were gonna leave us there. Mr. Beast Coaster! That was the Mr. Beast coaster. Alright, looks like they're getting the train moving. We were stuck on here for a while, but it looks like they're getting the train moving. Orange juice train. Alright guys, we just did hang time. We got back row, front row, and we just rode it. This is a very mid coaster.
Yeah, it's very mid. I mean, especially the orange juice train. It's absolutely terrible. Me personally, I would much rather ride a Timberline Twister if you ask me.
Yeah, I mean, it's okay. There's some good airtime moments, but honestly, I was just ready to get the hell off of this. But nope, we couldn't get the hell off of it.
I know,
because we were stuck.
Yeah.
You probably heard in the POVs. As we were going down that drop there, we could hear the announcement, hang time is currently down, and me and Dean thought that we were gonna be stuck up there and just not move. But they sent that, but then we were stuck on the final brake run. So that wasn't good. But now we're gonna be doing Supreme Scream. See you guys over there. Alright, well, just checked out Accelerator here. Still closed. They're waiting on a part. It's supposed to reopen soon, I hope. The train is back on the track. I miss this ride so much.
Yeah, it was great. It was great when I rode it. I mean, I didn't ride it with the new colors, but I rode it when it was pink, and
yeah,
it's fun.
Alright guys, well we just did Supreme Scream, but while we were on Supreme Scream, Charlie got some inside information from the maintenance worker of Accelerator. What did you find out?
Well, the guy had been running, actually ran Accelerator since it opened, and he's been here for 20 some odd years, but he had told us that right now they're making a part in Germany that was supposed to take about 9 months, so now we're at about 12 months. But it's still being designed there, custom made. It's going to be brought over via ship, air. They're not sure exactly how they're going to get it here, but it is a drum in which the cable wraps around on the ride, and they're shooting to have it all installed, tested, everything by summer this year. But I think it's going to be fall.
And what did you find out with all of this? What did you find out about Top Thrill Dragster?
Yeah, Top Thrill Dragster is confirmed getting an LSM launch, and it's going to be. It's also shooting for 2024, which we kind of already knew, but I just confirmed it with the guy, and he seemed to have the inside scoop about a lot of things. But a lot of Top Thrill Dragster's parts actually have been shipped to this park and utilized on Accelerator because of the they're the same model. So. Yeah, it's kind of a little piece of history, it keeps it all together.
guys, here we go on Silver Bullet. Ready, Dean?
Yeah. Not really.
Are you ready, Charlie? This is a new B&M for you. You must be so excited right now. I'm very excited. I love Silver Bullet. Let's do it. We just did Silver Bullet. We did it 3 times. We did a reaction for the first time, and then that was the back row, and then we did Dean's POV for the front row, and then my POV for the front row. They came out pretty good. What did you think of Silver Bullet?
I'm just happy I had to do it once, and that's it.
Yeah. Now we're gonna go get something to eat, lunch, and then we're gonna lap Ghost Rider probably, because that's the best coaster here. Hello?
Hello there.
Hi.
What brings you folks to my little corner of Calico?
How did you go to jail?
Oh, I got arrested by the sheriff. He put me in here. He called me a horse thief.
Oh.
Locked me up.
Are you ever gonna escape?
I mean, I'd like to. I'd like to get out of here one way or the other. It doesn't even have to be, you know, legal or otherwise, I suppose.
Have you ridden Ghost Rider?
No, I haven't had the chance, though. It looks quite, I've heard it's quite terrifying. It's one of them sky trains, right? The ones that go really fast?
Kind of.
Train, but it's in the air and...
I guess.
Oh, golly. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I could do something like that. Is it like that one there behind you? I see people screaming going by on it.
No, it's not like that.
Not like that one? Okay.
The Ghost Rider has like loop-de-loops and it doesn't jump in the sky. It's pretty cool.
Oh,
Yeah.
golly. I don't know. That is pretty scary. That's terrifying. I heard that one there is called Silver Bullet. I don't make much.
Hey, is this one of the hoopty-doopies and the corkies? Or, because I heard someone actually fell off last week and I'm pretty terrified, so I'd like to know, you know, I don't want to hold on. So, does that mean loop-de-loops?
Guys, well, we finished up lapping Ghost Rider for the past 2 hours. I took a little break in the middle. I got a total of 34 rides on Ghost Rider. Amazing coaster. I love it. It's so good. I hope you guys enjoyed all the on-ride footage we got today. Our filming session ended. We got a lot of good stuff. We got Ghost Rider front row, backwards. Then we got HangTime front row and back row. And then, of course, we got Silver Bullet front row. So that's a total of 6 POVs coming soon. And, of course, we got our reaction on here and reaction on Silver Bullet. So a total of 8 POVs today. So that was pretty good. And, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed episode 3 of West Coaster Tour. Remember, there are still more episodes coming. We still got Disneyland coming up. We've still got Universal coming up and our 2 days at Magic Mountain. So stay tuned for 4 more episodes coming to West Coaster Tours. Also make sure to go check out Dean's Coaster Tour California series, California Coaster Tour. And yeah, Dean had to go early, but I got a total of 34 rides in Ghost Rider. I think he got 7. But overall, pretty solid day. So now we're going to be leaving Knott's Berry Farm. Park is closing soon. It's closing at 6, so we're not going to get any night rides, unfortunately. But our next park, Disneyland, that's going to be episode 4. Stay tuned for that. And as always, guys, stay on the thrill side of life.